collision repair industry has grown immensely over the years, but the neat thing about it is it never slows down. It's kind of recession proof. You know, when the economy's up or down, when you wreck your car, you still have to go to work. It doesn't matter. So the business is continually there. The neat thing about the collision repair industry and the program here in school is it is probably one of the highest, if not the highest paying program in the whole college. So when you walk out of here and go into the collision repair industry, an average technician can easily make well over six figures.
It's a great opportunity with everything that they have in the program. I know Andy's done a phenomenal job basically getting all the standardized equipment that out in a real shop they use. We have spot welders, we have downdraft booths, we supply tools for the kids so they can learn actually hands-on, be able to use the sanders, the belt sanders, the DAs. The school has basically all the equipment that you need that they're using out in the industry to be able to go out and kind of transition into that.
So 40 some other years now I've been in this industry. So I really do think it's for the people who are creative and maybe the people who are go-getters that don't mind working in this industry. You know, you don't get paid by the hour, you get paid by what you do. The more you work and the harder you work, the more money you make.
Mm-hmm.